What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. So welcome back to the channel, and today I have a rather special RWB for you guys, and it's actually a special one for me as well because this is one of my favorite all-time RWBs which was released by Tarmac. So talking about my special most favorite RWB releases, at first I have the Rotana, which comes in the matte purple, as well as the Cinderella, which comes in yellow and black. So now we have the Valkyrie. So Valkyrie was actually released on the web, and it was a web series special edition, and it was sold on the website, and was just in a few minutes after it was released it was sold out. And now we have this today. Special about this specific model is that just like the Rotana, it has a 2-layer wide wing on the back. So special edition spoiler as well, and this is somewhat rare when it comes to Tarmac RWBs because so far there's only been a few releases with the 2-layer spoiler, and Valkyrie has been one of them. And one unfortunate news about Valkyrie is that it was released to the website, and people were allowed to buy 5 pieces at once, which made to a point where people bought all 5 and they sold it for a higher price. So because of that, a lot of other collectors who were willing to get this couldn't purchase this as well. So that is one negative side of this being released to the web store, and people were being able to buy 5 pieces at once. But other than that, as always, Tarmac has been doing a pretty good job in their new releases. So we have the Valkyrie RWB 930. So let's get into it and see how it looks like. So you guys can see this is a bright yellow model, and this was somewhat similar to the Tarmac Koenigsegg Regera RS. It is somewhat the same color code, and you guys can see there's a yellow and black mix. There's a small touch to it, and even in the box, when you consider, you get the stage in yellow with the RWB letters in black, as well as the Tarmac and all the other names. And in the packaging itself is inside it's all in black, and outside it's all in yellow with the black letters. And talking about the limited edition certificate, you always get this with the Tarmac. Always check if this is available with the Tarmac even when you're buying it through the second market, because this is important. If you're gonna resell it or if you're gonna present it to someone, they will know that it is authenticated through this specific certificate. So this is it, guys, the Valkyrie 930 RWB. There you have it, guys, the Webstore special edition RWB Valkyrie 930. So hope you guys enjoyed the video as always, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news. And if you guys are in favor of RWBs, make sure to stay with our channel as we bring you all the RWB collections that we can, and also in other different models in the future. So hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.